Tom from Gdynia, Poland writes, I am trying to make a do-it-yourself headphone cable using techniques like those in speaker cables from your friends at AudioQuest. But since it's a headphone cable, I want it flexible, relatively light, so I can move around my room. Good idea. I have a 3-meter balance cable and want to upgrade to be the same length. I'm planning solid silver wire, preferably OCC. I think OCC is copper. But anyway, in polyethylene tubes filled with helium. Jeez, man, that's wrapped around a central tube for spacing with layers of tubes and a copper foil shield, all sheathed in military-grade paracord. My worry is that the solid wire will make it very stiff. What gauges would you recommend, and how can I solve the flexibility problem in general? I got to tell you, this sounds like a crazy project, and I love crazy projects. That's one of the things that I've spent my life doing, crazy projects. But the best headphone cables that I've ever used were the ones that we use on the Odysseys. They're braided. It's a braided cable. Get yourself some Kimber. Kimber does braided cables. Ray does a great job at that. I'd buy one of their, I think they sell it in bulk. Buy a roll of braided Kimber cable and use that. It's very flexible. You don't have to, unless you're just absolutely committed to a do-it-yourself project and you're not okay with buying an off-the-shelf product because it's Kimber cable. It's good stuff. So that's what I would do. Every time that I have built cables, and I've built a ton of cables. I built our first power cable. I've built speaker cables and tested them out. It's fun. It's cool. But then, there's so many facets to it. And as you point out, it's got to be flexible. It has to move around with you. It has to not be heavy. Can't, wreck the headphones itself. I don't know, man. And filled with helium, that's pretty cool. I don't know what properties helium has. I suppose you're not looking for it to float and make it lighter. I've never heard of anybody filling it up with helium. So I'm a complete ignoramus when this kind of stuff. I'm just a complete do-it-yourselfer myself. So if I were doing this, I'd call my buddy Ray Kimber and say, Ray, send me a roll of, your, I think he calls it ATC. But it's a braided cable. And I'd have him send me several samples. This one is silver, this one is copper, and I would hook them up and I would listen and see which one sounded the best. And I would listen not knowing which was which, because that's usually going to skew your opinion. So I think you need to be careful of that sort of thing. So, all right, anyway, good luck. I think you're going to need it. Have fun. All right, bye.